Sure, I have a little over 20 years of experience that spans IT, software, development, and e commerce. Right now, I'm working as freelance product lister, handling the whole process of getting products online for platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Lazada, and Shopee. That means I create SEO friendly titles and description, upload quality image, organize collection, keep inventory accurate, and make sure everything meets the brand's and platform standards. Before that, I work as an IT specialist for 3J Courier Services here in the Philippines, supporting more than 150 users, managing IT assets, improving network performance, and even cutting procurement costs. I also spent a number of years in Singapore, first as an IT officer at UOB Kay Hian, where I handled servers, Active Directory, and backups, and later as an IT executive at Sinheng Chan, where I build websites, maintain POS system, and manage tech rollouts for new stores. Earlier in my career, I worked at Guest Philippines as a database administrator and senior programmer, and I also have roles in Saudi Arabia and the Philippines focused on software development, database management, and IT support. Over the years, I built strong technical skills in system administration, networking, programming, database management, and e commerce operations. But more importantly, I've learned how to adapt, quickly solve problems effectively, and deliver results, whether it's improving online sales through optimized listings or keeping critical IT system running smoothly. Thank you.